What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Definitely that watermelon increased the moisture. This will be the 19th feeding. But before I get into it, I want to see how this coconut coir mat's making out. So the good thing is I can just grab this with this tab being here. Should make it easier to grab, but it's not. Okay, got the one out. Okay, so let's see if anything's going on in here. You can definitely see there's moisture. Oh, there's a worm there. Oh, there's a bunch of worms there. Yep, looks like 2 or 3 there. Another 2. Okay, cool. So that's kind of neat to see. I really wasn't expecting it to see that many up there. I'll put that in the feeding area. Okay. Oh, this side popped out. Cool. Okay, so I had watermelon right here in the middle. That's some of the skin, and that's all that's left. I'll put those papers there in the center. I really want to see what's going on some of these lower trays. There's like 10 worms that are crawling up. Yeah, and I still have the paper on the bottom of this tray. I got 2 worms poking through here. Definitely seeing some more moisture and what looks to be some castings. Okay, still not really seeing too much down here. And then once I kind of incorporated it, it's not really moist anymore. Haha! Looks like there and there. Oops. I guess he does want to get picked up with the gloves. Woohoo! Okay, so just cleaning up that bottom tray. These 2 worms, they're going to go into the top feeding tray. So if they want to make their way back down, that's fine. But they're going to have to work for it. And then I'll start putting this all back together. Like I said before, There's little feet on the bottom that goes inside that bottom basin. Then the next tray goes in, and then there's little lips on the edges that it has to rest into. Then this middle tray, hopefully the worms in here can keep finishing off some more of those cardboard pieces, and as they continue to finish that off, hopefully they're attracted up to this upper tray. So with this feeding, I want to try to see if I can get the worms to kind of stick around. So I'm going to increase the size of this feeding. So what I have for them is another piece of watermelon. I had a peach, and the peach split right open. So I figured that'd be a good treat to see how the worms are with that. There's a little piece of peach that I had to cut off. And then I have some potato. Going to use a little ground eggshell for some grit for them. I have those little K-cup pods from Dunkin'. So I'll give them a little of that. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more bedding, and then cover it up. I just keep noticing, like the bedding in this one seems to go down quite often. So I'll just top that off over there, and then the next feeding I can incorporate that. I still have a ton of expired oats, so I'm going to change it up and give them just the dry whole oats and see how they make out with that. What I was using earlier for wiping up some of the moisture. I'll cover that feeding area and the oatmeal with the wet paper towel. And then I'll add this top layer back. So yeah, so this was a little deeper dive than I've done in a while for this bin. Like I said, this is the 19th feeding of this bin. So that's pretty wild to think I've had it going that long. Getting to see the worms up top in here, that was kind of neat. You know, actually seeing a few worms way down at the bottom, that was different. So like I said, they went back up to that top tray. So if they want to be down there, they got to work all the way back down again. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.